I chose to major in risk management and insurance because I felt like it would give me solutions and expertise that could not only benefit myself and companies that I would work for, but also my family. It gave me a deeper understanding in retirement planning, financial planning, and employee benefits.
We teach students how important uncertainty is in managing any enterprise. Life is full of surprises, things happen, random events occur, and when they do occur, they cause individuals and firms to have losses. And so the subject matter of recognizing that and planning for it and dealing with the consequences and financing those losses is really the subject matter of risk management. And then we really ask our students to make an investment in their professional development so that they can make a transformation and a transition from being a student who's studying risk management insurance to being a professional.
The best professional development I had at Fox was through my SPO, Gamma Iota Sigma. Through that we had mock interviews, we had networking events, we had resume critiques, and then we had also a reception where employers came and kind of recruited us for various internships and full-time opportunities.
So I think the biggest skill that I can share with my employer following graduation is my time management, and I think a lot of students at Fox can speak to this. I think a lot of our students have the ability to kind of balance between a lot of different commitments and extracurricular activities outside of the coursework.
I've had a lot of experiences with professors and other students, and I think a lot of collaborative effort goes on in Fox, and that really helps me for my career because if I work with other people, I go into the workforce already having that experience.
In the risk management professional world, there's a huge talent gap. There are literally more positions out there than there are students that can fill them. So depending upon your personality, what is it that interests you, there's a place in the risk management world for those students.
My experience at Fox has been one that is successful and inclusive. Not only have I had the chance to network with other students like me here, but I've also had the chance to have mentors from my professors and faculty advisors.